Today we are discussing about the tense. You know there are 12 tense. That the main 3 tense here: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Each one distributed in 4 parts here: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, then present perfect continuous. Then same here, the 4 past tense here. Then they are simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. The first one, we are remaining after the future tense because there is no space involved. First we discussing this first and second, present and past. Then after we will discussing about the future. Simple present is same, that the actions which are daily actions is speaking in the simple present tense. They are daily actions. They are always with the verb with place or place. Either it will adding s or es there or the same original form. Because this one is daily, matlab the action is daily, then it is a simple present tense. The present continuous tense is action now, look or listen. It means that the action is continuously going on at this moment. Then the verb form is, I discussing that one is a verb form. Now we can discussing about now. So this one is to be plus and verb form શું છે? To be plus verb plus ing. This is the formula of that, like that, is playing. We see that. If we are discussing with the play, always I write the different tenses for only the verb play. Like same, the other verb, run, write, speak, everyone can be changed by this way. Then present perfect is that the action is completed before few seconds, just now. That the main point is just now is your hint word. If we recognize the sentence, then which one is present perfect tense? The action is completed just now. That means you are drinking. I has drank tea. It means that you already drink the liquor. But the action is completed, but before few seconds you have this taste in your mouth. This one, and the formula for this one is has, have plus pp. Then pp stands for the third form of this verb. If you saying this pp or third form, the both is same. Then we can discussing that play. Third form is play. Then you can write it like that, has, have plus play. Then present perfect continuous tense. Then action is starting in past continuously at that time, and now after that it will be continuous going on. Then some action is starting in past continuously this one, and after it will be going on. Then it's called present perfect continuous tense. Then the formula is that it hasn't a hint word, but it has that have, has, plus been, plus verb, plus ing. Ing is with this one because the action is not completing yet. It will continuously going on, but it's starting past. Continuously at that time, and after some time it will be continued for a long time. Then it has been verb मतलब जे play हो तो play, ing playing. Then this is the 4 tense which including the present tense. Then now we are discussing about the past tense. Every tense has the same continuous manner with this one. If we say simple present tense, then it is daily action, daily. Then same is that simple past is also be daily, but in past it will daily. Action daily, that means the action is routine, daily routine is always with the simple present, simple past. But when we think about past, then it will be in past daily. That, like I am telling that one, we went to school when I am a student. Then went is a simple past form. But I can't put it daily there because it is my daily action in the past. Then we write this one like here, played. This is a simple past. only played ed formation, either the simple past tense, whatever the end with this, somehow the ed and then run, ru and run है तो r and ran होता है, that is a different thing. But you must remember that one simple past tense is has with the simple past verb form. Then past continuous is like connecting with the present continuous because this action is present now. Look, listen. In past continuous, that is the action in past, but it is a continuously going on. Then we can work with this was where plus verb plus ing. That I can writing this one for. Okay, Mona was writing letter yesterday. So was writing is my example for verb there. Was verb plus ing. Then simple past perfect is connected with present perfect. With present perfect is means just now, is action completing in few minutes before. In simple past it will same like that, but in the past it will few seconds before. Then it have like that, had plus pp. In that simple present tense you have an option is with the has and have because the tense is difference is when someone has third form is a has and then other have a have. But in simple past perfect that you haven't an option for this one, you put it only had, and pp is always being with this perfect tense. Then past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is connected with the present perfect continuous tense and it has also, but the change is that only the had, been, verb, ing. That is the main thing. If you studying about the present, past, future, but the sequence is same for that one. Simple present, present continuous, present past, present perfect continuous. Then the same for past, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Now we are discussing about the future tense. It has all a 4 tense sequence of this one. Now our third tense is simple future tense. Then future tense have a 4 part like that. Before we are discussing about present tense, past tense, and like now future tense. The first is simple future, second is future continuous, third is future perfect, and fourth is a future perfect continuous tense. Each and every tense containing with the 4, like that simple future tense. So you can discussing the things that nearby in future, like that. I will go to play. That means अब मैं प्ले कर मतलब खेलने जा रहा हूँ. Same like that. You can adding only will, shall plus play. But here we can say this will play. Then future continuous is there action progressing in future. मतलब progressing in action मतलब वो going on at this time है. But future है. That means we have to will and shall must be. Then will be playing. These containing with ing because present continuous, future continuous or past continuous. Continuous with means ing. That the future perfect tense, the completion certain times in future. That means the action is in particular time, it will be completed. It will be completed. Matlab that means we are saying that your project is completing in 5 days. That means we are discussing that one that they are completing in 5 days. It not be completed, definite. But we are discussing that it will be completed. That we say this one will have plus third form, that is called future perfect. But now we say future perfect continuous, then action will last to a definite time in future. Matlab action is starting in future, completing in future, and that we can say that this will have been playing. अगर मैंने अगर play लिया है verb से तो मैं ing करना ही है because that is a perfect continuous. Future continuous must be with this will have been played. Then the main tense is that present, past and future. We discussing that first is present, that have a 4 types. Second is past, that have a 4 types. And third have a future, that have also be a 4 types. And everyone know, if you know the 12 tense, then you can using this with the action, direct, indirect, active, passive. Each and every English speaking need these 4 types of 12 types of tense. The 3 is made and containing with the 12 tense. Thank you.